Information technology, IT, refers to the use of computers, software, networks, and other digital tools to process, store, manipulate, and transmit information. It encompasses a wide range of technologies and practices, including computer hardware and software, databases, telecommunication systems, and the Internet. IT plays a critical role in the modern world, enabling individuals, businesses, and organizations to perform a variety of tasks and functions more efficiently and effectively. Some of the key areas where IT is widely used include communication. IT enables people to communicate with each other in real time, regardless of their location, through email, instant messaging, video conferencing, and other tools. Data management. IT allows for the storage, processing, and analysis of large amounts of data, enabling businesses and organizations to make informed decisions based on accurate and up-to-date information. E-commerce. IT has enabled the growth of online shopping and e-commerce, making it easier for businesses to reach customers and sell products and services online. Automation. IT has enabled the automation of many tasks and processes, reducing the need for human intervention and increasing efficiency. Overall, IT has had a profound impact on the way we live and work, and its importance is only expected to increase in the coming years.